गोयच्या रस्त्यांचेर येरादारीचो ताण वाडला. तशेंच वाडिल्ल्या गाडयांक लागून लोक जाय थंय गाडयो पार्क करपाक लागल्यात. ताका लागून नव्या कारींक परवानो दिवपा विशीं विचार चालू आशिल्ल्याचें येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन सांगले. नव्या कारी सयत रेंट अ बायक आनी रेंट अ कारीकूय परवानो न्हयकारपाचो विचार आशिल्ल्याचें ताचें म्हणणें. कांय जाणां कडेन 50 रेंट अ बायक आसात. ह्यान फुडें अशें चलचें ना. गाडयांचो आंकडो उणो करचोच पडटलो. ते खेरीज आनी पर्याय ना. देखून रेंट अ बायकवाल्यांक कडेन उलोवणी करून तांकां आंकडो उणो करपाक लायतलो, अशें माविनाचें म्हणणें.
There was a suggestion yesterday when all the ministers met not to give more permits for cars because there are too many cars on the road. There is no parking. They come and park in anybody's neighborhood, blocking people from even coming out of their house. This situation cannot be allowed beyond a certain point. I will be reviewing the whole thing. But as far as two-wheelers are concerned, that is another big problem. Taxis, two-wheeler taxis, what are there? Rent a cab, what is there? I think it is another big problem which is developing because they were just given without application of mine. I want to inform you, last 8 months I have not cleared a single new license and I am not going to clear. Even those who are having more than 50 bikes each person, when they come for renewal, I ensure they get only maximum 20. At the moment I am trying to make it 10, but there is a lot of resistance. That's why I am going to totally restrict this two-wheeler, rent a bike. I am going to bring down the numbers so that there are less accidents and only in certain places they will be able to fly.